Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel TechNet Guide. In this video, we are going to fix EVNG login issue on web GUI. So friends, you can see here my EVNG is running here, but I am not able to log in on GUI. You can see just I have put it username and password. So friends, after putting username and password, I'm going to click here sign in, but not able to sign in here. You can see no response. Let me refresh this, but not able to log in. So what to do? Seems we need to update our database. Okay, so let's you can see first we can check here with df-h command. Okay, you can see my file system is showing there. Okay, so friends, to update database we have to run this command. First fix permission, then restore database. Okay, so now let me log in on SSH here. Okay, login with CLI username password. CLI username password is different and GUI username password is different. So you can see I have logged in on CLI. Okay, so now what I will do, I have to run this command to fix permission. Okay, now second command will run here. Wrapper restore database. Okay, so we'll run. Now friends, we'll reboot. Now we'll reboot here. Shut down. To soft reboot will do. Every time you have to do soft reboot. Okay, now press enter here, then it will be reboot. So friends, keep remember, every time don't power downs from here, we have to do soft reboot. Okay, so now let me log in on GUI. Just refresh it. Now click here login. Now you can see now I'm able to log in here. Okay, so friends, in this video we have seen how to fix login issue on EVNG. So thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.